Hello everyone, welcome to this array series in JavaScript. So today's question for the day is that we have to remove the duplicates from the sorted array without modifying the original given array. Let's suppose you have the input array. Let's suppose you have input arrays 2, 2, 3, 4. So output for this will be 2, it is duplicates 3, 4. So this is your output. If your given array is 2, 2, 2, 2, so output will be only 2 distinct element. Okay, so how do we do this? Method number one, very easy, famous data type, set. If you remember set, what is set? Set contains only the unique elements, unique elements. So one by one we will go through the loop and we will put one by one elements into the set. Now if it will be duplicates, then we will check whether it is present or not. If it is present, then we won't put. Next, method number 2, single iteration will work over here. Okay, so let's take this first method 1 using set. So okay, so let's write this code: function and remove duplicate, and we have array. Okay, first we will declare a set. Const set is equal to new set. Okay, and next we'll start a loop for let I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Okay, what we have to check? First we will check the elements. If it is not present, so set dot has array of I. If the elements are not present, then what we have to do? We have to add it. We have to add into the set. And then we have to modify the original array also, because at the end you have to either return the original array or you return the length of the distinct element. Now for that, what we do, like suppose this is your original array 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 6. Okay, so this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you have to modify the original array, we can't take any new array. So original array becomes 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and this becomes, we don't need to take care of this space. So for that we have to substitute this at a new position. So for that we will take a new variable index. We will keep a track. So array of index, and here we will assign this array of. So that's it, loop ends over here. So at the end, what we have to do? Return. If you want to return the original array, we will return array. If question says that return the length of the distinct element, so length of the distinct element will become index. Okay, now we have to update this index also. So over here we have to do plus plus also, then only the index will keep updating, right? So if you talk up the time complexity and space complexity, first a single iteration. So the time complexity will be big of n. If you talk of the space complexity, we are using a set. So if you are using a set, then space complexity big of n. Okay, this is fine, but this extra space that we are consuming, so we have to modify this. So if you have to modify, then let's go to method number 2. Direct iteration. Okay, so 2, 2, 3, 4. We will start from the first index because first element can't be duplicates, right? So we will start from here and we will compare with the previous elements. We'll keep comparing with the previous elements. If elements are distinct, then we will put at this place and we will keep a track of index and we will keep updating. Like here 2 will get replaced with the next element 3. Over here 4 will get replaced with the third, and let's keep this space as it is. So function remove duplicates, and here we are getting array. Let index equal to 1 because we have to start from here, right? This as it is. For let I is equal to 1, equals to 1, I less than array dot length I plus plus. If array of I not equal to array of what? Array of I minus 1. If it is not equal to, then we have to modify the original array, and remember we have to update the index also. Array of I, single iteration will work it, right? At the end what we have to return? If you want to return original array, return it original array. If you want to return the index, if you want to return the index length, then we can return this index. Now since it started from here 0 1 2, if index goes till 2, that means the length will become 3, but since plus plus is already over here, so one increment it will do, so directly we can return index. So this is for original array and this is for the length. Now talking about the time complexity and space complexity, single iteration is working R, so time complexity will be big of n. Space complexity, no extra space we are using, so big of 1. So that's it. Thank you everyone. If you are still tuned, subscribe to this. Thank you. Have a good day.